Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Goodec Plus. I am the motivational video maker. So today I have brought a new topic that's name is determination. As you know very well, the determination is also known as the decision which we take and also linger for the more time. And only just because of the decision we could get success in the life, we could succeed in the life as a successful person. So what is the work of the determination? What does the determination do in ourselves to make a successful person? And many successful person which took their determination for getting the successful person, how do they become? Because the normal and the biggest difference between the successful person and the normal person, that is only the determination. They don't lack in the strength, neither they lack in the mental ability. They lack in which thing, that is only the determination. Because their determination is not linger for the more time. That's why they also couldn't success. So today I will tell you that in the life there is no place where you will not get the difficulty. In each and every moment you will get the difficulty, and also to fight with the difficulty and take the bulls by the horns, you also need a determination. So I would tell you that the determination enough strong. The enough strong determination will help you to reach to your goals, to your destination, to get success in your life. How do people get success? Because their determination is more strong, only just because of that. Actually, the determination generates the desired passion in them, the confidence of doing their things. They also, the mental ability of the successful person which determines, those also have the good mental ability. They always think the good positive things about theirs, and after thinking the positive things, they always keep only the positive things, positive movements. They don't keep the negative movements, the negative things which happen with them. Only just because of the positive things, positive movements, just generated the disease, which generated the desired passion in them. Actually, the determination which we take, it should also be linger for the more time. If we are about to do any work, first we will have to plan about it. Before planning, first we will have to take the decision about it. Decision, after taking the decision, you will have to take the determination for the adhere for this work, to keep adhere. Only then you could do that work. Actually, many peoples which could not achieve the success. Why? Only just because of the one thing. They lack one thing, that is determination. They also take the decision of getting the successful person as the work which they have decided. They also do the work. But their determination is not more strong. And determination generates from the ambition. The ambition which generates in our mind capability. When we attach to anything, after attaching to anything, we try to get it there. We want it. So only just because of that, the ambition generated in our mind, and the ambition leads to the determination. Only just this is the thing. Why the people could generate more ambition about it? Why the people have the big dreams? Why people have the biggest dreams? Only just this thing. You should also keep the big dreams and try to achieve it. I must try, you must achieve it. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, like